Noong 2021 ay ginawa po natin ang groundbreaking ceremony ng Manila Science High School sa pangunguna po ng dating Yorme Isko Moreno, kasama po ang ating pong minamahal na Mayor Honey Lacuna Bangan. 2 taon lamang po at kitang-kita naman kung gaano kaganda at naging posible ang eskwelahang ito para po sa inyong lahat. Kaya't mga kasama, alam ko pong excited kayong marinig ang kanyang mensahe. Hindi na po natin patatagalin pa. Isang karangalan na ibigay sa inyo ang ating minamahal na dating alkalde. Palakpakan po natin, Yorme Isko Moreno Domagoso.
Good morning. Salamat sa Diyos. Lahat tayo nakaraos, dumaan tayo sa panahon na hindi natin nakalain na masusurvive nating lahat ang pandemya. But despite of the situation, through the help of our elected officials, which yung ating mga konsehal, ating congressman din noon si Yul Serbo, at ang ating minamahal na dating Vice Mayor, now Mayor Honey Lacuna, your government, in our own little way, continue to function and continue to really set the sail towards our goal of a better Manila. Yan naman o'y pinagpapasalamat ko sa Panginoon Diyos sapagkat alam niyo po, pagka ang pamahalaan, whether it is a local government, barangay, or national government, kapag nagkakaisa ang mga departamento, ay talaga pong may mabuting ibubunga. Kaya bagay na lagi ko yung ipinagpapasalamat sa Diyos. But I'm happy for you, to the parents and teachers, at palakpakan natin ang ating partner, DepEd, no? Ang Division of City Schools, at sa ating mga manggagawa, sabi nga ng ating principal kanina, no? Engineer Andres and Architect Balmoris, Engineer Randy, at iba pang mga manggagawa na, alam nyo, nung kasagsagan ng pandemya, we often visit the construction. In fact, there were challenges at the time wherein we need to protect also our construction workers so that they can continue to build while the world is like, parang humihinto na ang mundo. Sa Maynila, through the help of our Vice Mayor then, now Mayor Honey Lacuna, tuloy-tuloy ang lungsod ng Maynila. I'm happy for the students. I hope ipagpapaumanin ninyo yung hirap na dinanas ninyo ng 2 taon na online. I hope sana worth it naman itong hinintay ninyo. No? At siyempre sa ating minamahal na punong guro at iba pang non-teaching personnel ng Manila Science. Maraming salamat sa inyong kooperasyon ng mapadali. No? Now, today, also, this will be a start to the entire country, particular on a highly urbanized setting, LGUs, wherein we can showcase through Manila Science how to build public education school building. Hindi na tayo dapat titigil lamang sa nakalakihan na natin. We can innovate. We can utilize space because one of rarity or scarce resources in a highly urbanized setting like Manila is space. But at the end of the day, may ipanganganak na bata na ipinanganak ngayon, 7 taon simula ngayon ay uukupa ng espasyo and that is most likely our schools. So now, at least, we can honestly say, through the Division of City School, our teachers, your school can now achieve the universally acceptable student-teacher ratio in a very good environment sa classroom. So, pwede pala, kaya pala, posible pala. So, I owe it to everyone, and especially, and I would like to, gusto kong bigyan ng diin ang pagsisikap ng ating minamahal na alkalde, Hani Lacuna Pangan, na matapos ang proyektong ito. And today, we will also experience the concept of continuity. Yan ang madalas na naririnig ko sa ating mga kababayan. Pag nagbabago ang administrasyon, natetenga yung nakaraan. Now, you parents and teachers, all of you present here, that if there will be continuity, there is progress. There is movement forward. Not going back to A or not going back to 1. So whatever is left there, because of continuity, it will continue to progress. So sa inyo po, mga magulang, paumanin na rin sa inyo, naabala namin kayo sa inyong pa-online na klase ng inyong anak. But as I have been saying to a lot of people, sana worth it. Tingin ko naman, ito palang auditorium nyo, worth it na. But most likely, I'm happy, like Mayor Hani Lacuna said a while ago, marami pa siyang surprises para sa Manila Science High School. Hayaan ko na siya magsabi, but of course, I always believe in her. I saw her when I was Vice Mayor then. She is the first majority floor leader that I endorsed in the City Council. First woman majority floor leader. First woman Vice Mayor. First woman Mayor of the capital of the country. So I'm really proud of her. I'm really proud of the City Council. I'm really proud of Congress. I'm really proud to each and every member, employees of Manila City Government. Dahil lahat ng natamasa natin, hindi po natin mapagtatagumpayan ng wala sila. So good luck po sa inyo, sa mga magulang, sa mga bata. You continue to shine in this country. You have the best school, the cream of the crop. Sabi nga nila, lahat ay nag-aasam hanggat mari mapasok sa Manila Science. Don't fail yung ating mga ninuno na nagbigay ng katanyagan sa institusyong ito, na nakilala sa kani-kanilang field of undertakings. Kayo naman ang may torch, may hawak ng torch. It was passed on to you, pangalagaan ninyo, and I hope this type of facility will help you to have a better, conducive, with good facility for your acquisition of knowledge in this institution. I believe in you and I'm proud of you, Manila Science, and I'm proud of you, parents, and I'm proud that we are Batang Maynila. Magandang araw, pagpalain nawa kayo ng pong may kapal. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po, dating Mayor Yorme Isko Moreno Dumagoso. Palakpakan naman po natin siya. Salamat po sa inyong pagmamahal at suporta sa lungsod ng Maynila.